Students of class 7. Student, today we have two things to know about in MS Excel 2010. First, conditional formatting, and second, charts. So student, first we talk about here the conditional formatting, as it is a very important to know about when we format in MS Excel, means when we format data according to our condition in MS Excel. We use some features, advanced feature in MS Excel. So let's talk about here the conditional formatting. The conditional formatting is a feature in many spreadsheet application that allows us to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. So let's see how can we format the data according to our condition. So let's see in practical. As I have written some data for applying the conditional cell formatting, as you can see on this screen, as here this is the data which you can format according to your condition, means according to the color formatting. So you can see here, this is a data, means with many ranges here from less to the greater number here, and you can find according to from the lesser to the greater number here. So as you format according to the conditional, so let's see here how can we. First, we have to select the data range and click on the conditional formatting. Here we find the highlighted cells rules, and in this we find greater than, lesser than, between, equal to, and duplicate values here. So first we want to apply here the greater than. The greater than means, suppose we want to see the data which are the above the 100, means as we can put here the 100, and we can see here the two numbers here are only the greater than 100 here. It means at a glance you can see these number. Better if you want to find manually, then it will take a much time and energy. So by conditional formatting, we find here these two number very easily within a second here. So now you can color also, like as you can change the color, yellow color, or you can something as a green color. So now your text as a selected here, two numbers are more than 100, and if you write the other 100, then automatically it will take as a defined formatting, means which you have applied on this data. Now next here, select again here and click on the conditional formatting here for applying the next value here as related to the here. But we find you are applying, the first you have to clear the first applied conditional by the clear rules. You can go through by as a here clear the selected or data, or as a clear rule clear cells, or you can say entire cells. So as we have selected cells, to clear the rules for selected cells here. That means your conditional formatting earlier which you have applied will be removed here. And now next here, lesser than means you want to apply the formatting lesser than number below the 50, below, you can say below the 30 here. The which number are lesser than 30, you can see on the screen. These are the number which are lesser than the 30 here, or you can put here the 10 if you enter the 10th, automatically which are numbered below the 10 automatically here will be appeared, and you can format according to your needs here, means as yellow, green, pink. And now here you want to as a clear, then you have to clear first, then you apply again next as a condition. Now between here means we want to see here the such a number which are between, as a you can say as a first number here we can put the 30 to 50. To we write here in the between number, first we want to see between 30 to 50. The 30 here we write, and then here write the 50. So you can see, student, these are number which are between numbers 30 to 50 here. So this way we can find the numbers which you want to see between the number 30 to 50 here, and according to that we can format the color also here. So it is very easy to use by the conditional format. Can find here the duplicate value here, means how many numbers are duplicate here. So click on here the conditional formatting and click on duplicate here. So we find here the duplicate numbers, many duplicate number besides of these three numbers, and these we can find also the unique number. Click on this drop down button and click on the unique. So in the among these number, only these are three the unique number which are used only one time here. So this way, student, we can find our conditional formatting according to the color, according to our criteria. We can use apply for the results and for the other work here. So it is very easy to use and to find our as a needs here. So now, student, as we can find here as a like the in the conditional formatting. So this way we can use the conditional formatting. Student, next now we find here the charts. Okay, student, charts are pictorial representations of data. They are analytical tools. Charts are linked to data on a worksheet and automatically change when the data changes. And this allows us to see graphically how changes affect a problem. The charts can also indicate trends and relationships between a series of numbers. Types of charts, we find many types of the charts, and as you can see on the screen here, like column chart, line chart, donut chart, pie chart, cylinder chart, cone chart, pyramids chart, and we find also the sub chart of these chart. So let students see how can we create a chart in our document in, you can say, in Excel. So let's see here. Okay, now student, you can see here as I have written some data for applying the charts in the Excel. As you can see here, first we have to select the data range which we have to apply and press the Alt plus F1. As you press the Alt F1 here, the charts tools tab here will be selected, and we have two options here for creating the chart. Now you can see here this is a column chart, and if you don't want to the column chart, we can change by here the change chart type, as you can see here, and in the design option we find here, click as on design and you can change the chart type here. So now student, first we here click on the as a change type. As you click on the change type, as a it will, you can see here this is a two option, design and format. We click on the design and format also, but we click on the design to change the type of the chart here. Click on the change type and we find here the many types of charts here. As you can see here, this is as a column chart and selected data of the chart here, and according to your needs we can apply the charts as a column chart and subtype of the its bar chart. And now we have the other charts also, like as a line chart, pie chart, bar, area, XY scatter here, and its subtype also here, like a column subtype here. That's a 3D chart, 2D charts. If you want to apply the 3D, to select and click on OK button here. As you can see the student here, as we find here the 3D chart, and click on OK button. And if you want to change your the chart here for the selected data, like as a line chart, you can see here the line chart and its subtype of the chart, pie chart, and it also has a subtype here. Means for every types of the chart we find here its subtype of the chart here. So now, as a student, I told you here the XY scatter, stock, surface, donut, bubble, radar. So these are types of the chart. Which chart you want to apply on your data range, you can select as a here the chart type and sub, and click on OK chart type here. So as we can here as a use the chart here. Now next apply chart, we can here write as the days of the week here, and now here as a written the name of the product here. So we want to apply some the other chart. So first we select here the cell range here, and now click on insert tag here. This time we can apply by different way here without the pressing the here the keys. Click on insert, and here we find as a line chart here. We can apply the other chart, but as I am showing you line chart here, click on the line chart and its subtype. Which subtype chart you can conceive and you can perceive better way. So now here as applied here the line chart, you can see this is a dot shows here the increase the number and decrease the number. Now so you can see this is the handlebar by which we can side handle, left side here, right side here. We can decrease the size here by pressing inside, and now here it is the middle handle. We can make the as a now short and make as a long also here, as you can see, and it is given here the bottom side of the chart here as a handlebar. So now this way we can increase the chart of the size here, which by which way you want to show your chart in a better way, because other can conceive and perceive your chart better way. So this way student we can increase the chart size. So we can increase the chart. If we increase by the left hand toolbar, so it means there will be no any changes in the proportion of the chart, internal chart of the size here. Means there will be no any be here changing in the looks or in the graphics of the chart here. So student, as today we have learnt about the to creating the charts in the MS Excel. So student, thank you for today to understand about the as a conditional formatting and types of the chart. I think you will do at your home in better way. Thank you.